Opie has $100,000 to invest over a period of 5 years. He is evaluating 3 different accounts. Account 1, which pays 6% per annum simple interest. Account 2, 5.6% per annum compounded annually. And account 3, 5.5% per annum compounded monthly. We want to calculate the balance at the end of 5 years for account 1, account 2 and account 3. Now this is a perfect opportunity to use e-activities, so that's the way I'm going to do this. So if I go to the menu, e-activity, the first one I want to open, you probably won't have to open on yours, is the simple interest. And here we go. So I'm going to state the formula. I equals PRT over 100. You might have a version without the 100 and it's not a problem. You just put R in as a decimal rather than a percentage. So that is going to be 100,000 times the rate for the simple interest was 6 multiplied by the time, which is 5 years, over 100. Obviously you can just calculate that, or we can do it on the calculator. So we want the interest. The principal is 100,000. The rate is 6. The time is 5. Click on solve and it gives me 30,000. That's not the balance though, that's just the interest. To get the balance we need to add it back on to the 100,000, so 130,000 is the balance. Now account 2 is compound interest, so let's get we need to close this one. You won't need to do that. And open the compound interest. And here's all the things we need. So my formula is A is P 1 plus R over 100 N. You might have a version without 100, that's not a problem, just use R as a decimal, to the power of N multiplied by T. Now this one is compounded annually, telling me that N is equal to 1. So, and this does give us the amount in the account, not just the interest. So that's 100,000, 1 plus 5.6 over 100 to the power of 1 times 5, because it's 5 years. So we do want the amount, so principal 100,000. The rate is 5.6. N was 1, once a year, and we're doing it for 5 years. And that gives us 131,316,59. And then for account 3, we can change a couple of things. First of all, let's just OK that, sorry, and just clear that out. This needs to be 5.5. Now, we're going to compound monthly, which means 12 times a year for 5 years. Solve that. So that is 131,570.38. Which is the best option? Well, clearly the best option is account 3, because we end up with more money in the account.